Hello everyone, welcome back to Premium Code. Still for how designed. Now let's continue to the next module. How to model pressing system in Tekla Structural Designer. Come back to the 3D view and click on the model and click on the pressing. Use the edge pressing and scroll down. Change the steer grade to 275 and yes, the design section is okay, and the section you can select any section and the software will be designed and automatically update the section for you. But now let me click and I want to use the section CHS. Yes, correct, CHS 0 139 .4, yes, 4.0. Select and yeah, it's okay. Click on the first point, click on the second point, drag it to the top of column, click again, press enter. Now again, first point, second point, click it again, press enter. First point, second point, click it again, press enter. First point, second point, click it again, press enter. And we want to copy the edge pressing and mirror it to other side. Now let me click here, don't worry, you can click everything and just select on the pressing, okay, pressing, and use the edit option and use the mirror, click one and click on the second point. Okay, now let me test to make sure the member is not overlap. Yeah, press 1 and delete. Yeah, it's okay, no overlap. Again, by using the option select, don't worry, we will use the filter to help you. Yeah, we want to select only the press roll 16 member, right click, copy, click on the first point and click on the second point. Oh, sorry. Now let untick the steel beam and select the press only 8 pair. Yes, correct. And you can use model and you validate. Yes, there are some issues because the intersect between the member. We use the continuous member plus over here, so there are error. We fix it later. Okay, and validate again. Yes, the model now is working fine without any error. Now let me play at the pressing elements. We use the edge pressing, and we also use a beam at the top of column and at the intersection of the raster to improve the out of plane stability of the structure. Now let me come back to the beam and check and change the section to S275. Again, change the section to IPE. Now let me check with the section. Yeah, IPE 130. IPE 160. Okay, click. So you just click on the first point and on the second point, sorry. First point and the second point. Again, we do the same, first point and the second point. First point and a second point. Control select and use the copy, use the right mouse, press the right mouse to rotate view. Click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now complete for the pressing system in Tekla Structural Designer. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.